Please. What's your name? Red hockey player T-Bone goalie?
Yeah.
Is it not Eric?
No.
What is it again? Oh, red hockey player T-Bone goalie. And what do you have on your head? Hockey helmet?
Yeah.
No, boy. What's on your shoulders?
Shoulder pads.
And what's on your legs?
Goalie pads.
And your feet? What do you have?
Goalie.
What's in your hands? That's right. And what's your name again? Red. Who's T-Bone? Who's T-Bone again? This is T-Bone. Yeah? You like us to say, go, T-Bone, go?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're a good hockey player, right?
Elbow pads.
Oh, you have elbow pads on too.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for showing me. Okay, say bye.
Bye.